of applause for men's finalists. Round of applause. Cheers, cheers for the men's final team. Both the teams, all the players. Cheers. Yo! Okay. Hemant. Okay. All right. Maybe reserve the rest of the dance post the final, please, and get on with the final. Can I have scorer over here in the commentary box?
Mitesh, new ball.
Already given.
We are starting in exactly 39 seconds.
We are requesting all our sponsors and partners to please wait for the presentations. Requesting all sponsors
Shloka
and
Panthers.
partners to please wait for the presentations.
Need impact player, Dr. Sham.
Shloka Panthers won the toss and elected to field,
Jiggy.
which means X-Ware Maverick
हो गया.
will bat first.
Thank you.
Can we have the impact player for both the teams, Hemant?
Jignesh is the impact player from Ajay's team.
Jignesh is the impact player for Shloka Panthers. And for Mavericks,
Sorry, from Sham's team. And Samir Shah from Ajay's team.
Samir Shah is the impact player for Shloka Panthers. And Jignesh. Scorer. Can we have the scorer over here? Pranjal. Can I have Pranjal here? Pranjal the scorer. Can we please have you quickly? We are not able to start scoring without your phone password. Pranjal, आप कहाँ पे हो? जल्दी से
Paging
commentary
for
box में
Shelly
आइए.
Grover. Paging for Shelly Grover. Shelly Grover.
Scorer. Need the password of your phone, scorer. Oh, we are able to open the phone.
Open है ना?
अरे सुनो ना कृष्णा, वहाँ पे देखो पानी नहीं है. अरे लगवा दो ना यहाँ.
All right, guys. 2.5 days of scintillating entertainment comes down to the wire. The all-important APL Season 5 men's finals now underway.
Mitesh
Let's hear
bhai,
it for
this
both
is
the
the
teams, guys. Some noise.
Mitesh bhai, this is the last match of APL Season 5. The festival is about to
Absolutely.
end
The ball given to the umpire.
for a year. Ajinkya was a winner for last year. This year again also he's in the final. Of course, he's part of Dr. Sham's team.
And for women's tournament, interesting stat, Hemant. X-Square Stallion has won it second time in the row. The same team, X-Square Stallion. And for men's, it is Lad versus Lad.
Wait, umpire, wait. Umpire, wait.
Toss won by Shloka Panthers, Ajay. Elected to field. Non-striker Atul.
Umpire.
Let's start. DJ. DJ. We can start with the game now. The first ball coming up. Bhai to Bhai. Ajay bowling the first delivery to Ajinkya. Oh. Dot delivery first up. One by. That's one by. Is that out? Some smart work by the keeper. That could have been an overthrow. Took a calculated risk.
हेलो आवाज इलेक्ट्रिशियन जल्दी से स्टेज के पास आए आवाज इलेक्ट्रिशियन अर्जेंट
Atul giving the strike back to Ajinkya. We all know what Ajinkya is capable of. And a misfield, a difficult one, but a boundary nonetheless.
आवाज इलेक्ट्रिशियन आवाज कंपनी
8 runs on
इलेक्ट्रिशियन
the board already. Last ball coming up. Last ball of the over. Hit for a single again. 9 runs of the over.
A very good start for Dr. Sham's team.
Okay, guys, can we get on? Can we please start quickly? Impact player is being called. DJ. DJ. Impact player Samir walks in to bowl the second over.
A very small baby Vedart is here to cheer for APL
Samir
season
to bowl
5.
the second over as the impact player. Atul on strike. Ajinkya at the non-striker's end. Starts with a wide. Bit of a fumble, but just a run. Ajinkya on strike.
हेलो आवाज इलेक्ट्रिशियन ट्रॉफी काउंटर के पास आए अर्जेंटली
2 runs.
आवाज
No ball
इलेक्ट्रिशियन
and 2 runs.
ट्रॉफी काउंटर के पास आए आवाज इलेक्ट्रिशियन
14 runs already on board. And that could have been a stump out actually. 1D. A clean gathering by the keeper
One declared.
could have given them a chance for a stump out, and that too of Ajinkya. There is a change of keeper. आशीष जोशी बोलेवा वाले 2 आशीष जोशी है. Tapped for a single. And chance for a catch. Rishi trying to go for the catch. At a tricky height it was. Could have hit the sides. Oh, very well blocked by Hiren. Saved 1 run there. Atul on strike. Smart work. Such is the impact of Ajinkya. Even his non-striker gets the confidence, keeps the strike rotating. Takes a lot of pressure off him. And he retains the strike. 20 runs.
Umpire.
All right, okay. We will have to cancel the last delivery. It was delivery number 7 of the over. Apologies on behalf of the umpiring team and scorers.
अरे हाँ हाँ एक मिनट लेट्स काउंट इट काउंट कर लो हो गया काउंट कर लो
एक मिनट बाकी सब दूर खाली अंपायर को चेक करने दो Okay, 20 runs at the end of 2 overs. Let's get on with the game. "20 runs, 2 overs. Just wait. Just hold, Pawan. Pawan, hold. All right, we can start. 20 runs, 2 overs. Pawan to bowl. The third over to Ajinkya. And he starts with 2 runs. Down the ground he dances and hits it, pierces through the field for 2 runs. Well blocked by Rishi. Hit him on the chest. Shot by Ajinkya can be lethal. Atul on strike. They haven't lost a wicket yet. Was a run out chance there. Ajinkya on individual score of 13. Atul on 7. Team is on 25. That's the tap. A rare dot ball here. Good fielding by Hiren and Rishi.
Wait, umpire, wait.
Char ball, 4 deliveries. 2.4, 26.
हाँ 4 ही हुआ है बराबर है 2-2 गो है
बढ़िया चलने दो
2.4 overs, 26 runs. What a running. Amazing running between the wicket.
Ajinkya could have run for the third also. He's running like a panther.
Stole 2 runs. Days are not far where Ajinkya will actually score a boundary by running. Ajinkya moves on 16. 28 runs on the board. And he retains the strike. At the end of over number 3, score moves to 29 runs. They're cruising along. Haven't lost a wicket yet.
Ajinkya is playing on 17 run.
Well,
he, has a
Ajinkya is,
he has a history of getting retired after hitting 20 in every final match.
3 overs, 29 runs. While Ajinkya is doing the demolishing job, Atul is also supporting his partner really well.
See, that's
29
what
runs.
Mitesh, a great player, does. He motivates everyone in the team to perform and rise to the occasion.
अजिंक्य से लीडरशिप लेसन लेने होंगे मैनेजमेंट गुरु. Hiren Parmar to bowl the 4th over. Plenty of batting yet to come. Is there a boundary or 2 runs? 2 runs. Ajinkya is 1 strike away from retiring. He's on 19. Ajinkya is on 19. Team is on 31. Let's see how he reaches the 20-run mark. For those who think he'll hit a boundary, say yay! And he listens. Does it in style. DJ. The monster Ajinkya, we can say this, the monster Ajinkya completes another 20 and walks back.
Yeah, monster is a good name to hear. यहाँ पे कोई शैतान बोल रहा था.
He's a monster, he's a murderer, he's a killer. He's killed so many bowlers, their careers and fielders.
The impact player comes. Jiggy.
Impact player Jignesh Dolia walks into the middle.
Bowler.
Ajinkya has taken the score to 39 runs, 3.3 overs.
Yeah.
4 मारा ना यार. 1 by. And they are going for the second run, losing the wicket.
एक रन और दूसरे पे रन आउट.
Atul has done his job. Very well played, Atul.
DJ, एक important announcement है. एक senior citizen who was not well. He has been taken to the hospital. He is perfectly fine.
That's great to hear.
Thank you for all the prayers.
Give it up for our beloved resident. He's doing fine. He's been taken to the hospital, attended to. Thanks to all the residents who rushed to his help. This is the spirit of address, guys. Thank you so much.
The captain, Dr. Sham, left his match to help the patient.
Give it up for Dr. Shyam as well, guys. Selfless act. Jignesh walks back. 40 runs for 2 wickets. 3.5 overs. DJ. Let's just wait.
Umpire wait.
Just wait.
Bowler wait.
We have lost the network. Just wait. Hold there. 39 पे retire हुआ, 4 मार के.
Umpires, how many ball? 2 balls to go. ये भाई इनको दे देना, ये आ गया तो यार.
भाई इनको ही करना चाहिए, इसको करना चाहिए. नहीं सामने आया था. जिग्नेश डोलिया आया था.
एक रन मारा.
2 रन भाग रहे थे, 1 रन हुआ
और एक पे रन आउट हुआ.
4 बॉल हुआ. 1 मिनट. रन गुनने थे. वेट वेट नहीं हुआ
नेटवर्क एरर है वो।
नेटवर्क एरर है तू है ना तू 35 पे रिटायर हुआ
35 पे रिटायर हुआ। आप देख लो पहले। बराबर है।
विकेट अपडेट नहीं हो रहा है, विकेट 0 दिखा रहे हैं।
कितना हुआ अरे वो 39 पे रिटायर हुआ बेटा
35 पे वो नेटवर्क एरर 4 चला गया रिटायर के साथ।
डीजे
एक रुक देना। ये अजिंक्य के बाद में दो विकेट एक रन आया, उस पे सेकंड में रन आउट हुआ है। बराबर है, 2 रन मारा के लिए 1 रन आउट झाला। चलो और चौथा बॉल इसमें भाई 4 हो
3 ओवर 29 था
डॉट बॉल हुआ ना वो। उसके बाद में क्या हुआ?
अजय 3 ओवर
विकेट हुआ जिग्नेश डोले आउट हुआ।
0 रन मतलब कोई रन नहीं आया ना। जिग्नेश आउट हुआ भाई। जिग्नेश को रन आउट हुआ क्या?
नहीं एक अभी बाउंड्री पे लगा। सुन पहला बॉल अरे लिखा है
लिखा है इधर।
बराबर है
4 बॉल हुआ है ना।
पे आउट हुआ जिग्नेश एक रन भागा फिर दूसरा रन दूसरे पे जिग्नेश आउट 7 रन बना 36 हुआ
जिग्नेश रन आउट हुआ ना चौथी बॉल पे। अतुल अल्टे हुआ ना, जिग्नेश को उधर मार के डायरेक्ट आउट हुआ है। बाद में चौथी बॉल पे आउट हुआ है भाई जिग्नेश।
चौथी बॉल पे जिग्नेश आउट हुआ।
अरे जिग्नेश चौथे लेकिन जिग्नेश दूसरा रन में आउट हुआ है हां तो जिग्नेश का 1 रन गिना
अतुल दादा आउट झाला ना दुसरा एडवाइस। अतुल आउट हुआ पहले सेकंड रन पे आउट। मैं तेज बोलतोय आणि जिग्नेश डायरेक्ट मारून आउट झाला।
ये ओवर में 7 रन 36 हुआ
बराबर है। अभी आपका बैटिंग है, आप स्ट्राइक पे हो।
36 डीजे गलत था
वो
नेटवर्क एरर
36 हुआ है बराबर।
आप आओ ना आप देखो ना
ओ भाई आप दे दो।
डीजे 3.4 overs 36 runs for the loss of 2 wickets 4 balls
मृणाल इज अ न्यू बैट्समैन।
हेलो
क्षितिज
जब न्यूट्रल आदमी है तो काय के लिए
इसको बैठने दे ना शिरू इसको बैठने दे 3.4 over 36
आवाज
Single.
अरशद
37 3.5 I'm going to announce the score every ball now so that there is no confusion. Munnu on strike gets that away for a single and running for second and one more extra. Excellent running between the wicket. Shyam pushing his partner.
आवाज
टोटल 3 रन्स,
अरशद
टोटल 3 रन्स।
40 runs.
आवाज अरशद ट्रॉफी
DJ.
काउंटर पे आओ।
At the end of over number 4, score is at 40.
ऋषि जैन इज द बॉलर।
Rishi Jain to bowl the 5th over. Dr. Shyam to face him. 40 runs, 4 overs. What a start. They'll be targeting 60 on the board the way they have taken off. Can the bowling team apply breaks? Good fielding. Good fielding by Nihar Pillai. Just a single. Munnu on strike again. An aggressive stand he is taking. Trying to confuse the bowler. And that could have been end of road for Shyam. But it took off the moment Munnu hit.
मृणाल is playing on 4 runs.
4.2, 42 runs. Hit and a miss. Dot ball. They need more of these. They need to apply breaks. 4.3 over 42 runs. And that's 4. Full toss.
46 अंपायर को देखो
बाउंड्री दिया वहां।
46 runs. 4.4 overs. Well blocked by Ajay. A single. Last delivery coming up. 47, 4.5. Munnu on strike. And Shyam not leaving his crease. Shyam didn't leave his crease.
DJ
47 runs. 5 overs, 47. Last over.
पोगो भाई बॉलिंग करने आ रहे हैं प्रमोद गोयल
Make some noise for Pogo, the star of the semi-final, to bowl the last over.
He is the youngest senior citizen in the society. He knows 3,483 family members from the society personally.
Hemandi actually applied for the kids category. We had to tell him that he'll have to play in men. "47 runs, 5 overs." That got deflected for a boundary. Shyam dealing in boundaries here. 5.1 over 51 run. Time. 5.1, 51. They've already put up a decent total on board. And that's 4 more.
Score moving to
DJ.
Score moving to 55 runs.
55 runs and Shyam is on 15, guys. Another 6 runs and Shyam will also retire. DJ. 2 balls, 2 boundaries. Shyam is on 15. Change of end for Pogo. And 2 runs. He moves on to 17.
A spider
And he'd
fielding
like to
from
retire in
Nihar
style with a
Pene.
boundary. Can Shyam hit a boundary to complete his 20, guys? 17, 57. 5.3 overs, 57. Shyam is on 17. A single. And Munnu is out. Leg umpire signaling Munnu is out. Shyam is on 19. Selfless act by Munnu. Shyam completing 1 run. He's on 18 actually. Oh, well blocked. Very well blocked there by Soham. 59 runs. Last ball to come. Shyam will be stranded at the non-striker end on 19. Nikhil on strike to face the last delivery. They are on 59 already. Hemant, is this the highest total of APL 5?
Yeah.
Men's.
नहीं
Kids में तो 98 था.
नहीं मेंस में बना है 60
हाँ अच्छा नहीं लगा नहीं मुझे लगा. Last ball. 59 on board already. Nikhil on strike. And he hits a boundary. Wait. Wait, let the umpire decide. And that's a boundary.
Shiv.
63 runs on the board, guys.
Shiv from YouTube.
What an innings. This is the highest total in APL season 5
from
so far.
YouTube. Shiv. सिर्फ मैच दिखाओ, दूसरा नहीं. सिर्फ मैच.
DJ. So Shloka Panthers need to get 64 runs
कृष्णा
to lay their hands on
ट्रॉफी
APL
के
5
पास आई
trophy.
है.
Daunting task it's going to be. Nonetheless,
हटवाना इसको थोड़ा.
they have got some smart batting. $64 to win. While the batters make their way into the middle, I would While the batters make their way to the middle, may I request everyone to give a round of applause to our umpires. They've done a selfless job. It's a tough job being an umpire, a thankless job. We have been angry at them, we have shouted at them, but they've always been smiling. Thank you, guys. It's the same pair of Soham and Ashish. They are chasing 64. They'll have to start from the word go. If Ajinkya wins this, he'll be winning this second time in a row. हेमंत के अजिंक्य गोट बनेंगे गोट. हेमंत will Ajinkya be goat? Dr. Abhijit starts with a no. Ashish on strike. Ashish and Soham have done really well to give their team some flying starts in this tournament. Hit for 2. Two runs. Ashish doing the right thing, hitting twos. They've already got 2 of those. And well fielded. Excellent fielding by Yogesh. 3 ball, na? And what a shot by Ashish. That's boundary. Oh, that could have been a run out. And it's still out. Okay.
A big round of applause for restarting the match.
Ashu hits it. Ashu, the new man in. Thank you.
10 run. Bowler name.
10 run, 1 over. Nikhil to bowl the second over. Ashish on strike.
It's a dead ball.
Dead ball.
It's
Wide
wide
and a
one-
bye.
and one extra.
Excellent
Bye.
delivery. Missed it completely. One D. And bowled. Clean bowled.
Nihar Pillai is the next batsman.
Two runs.
A very good shot. Score moving to 15 runs.
And that's wide.
Score is 16 run.
अजय अंदर मत जा, अजय बाहर रहे.
Can we have the players outside the arena? Well fielded. Dot ball. They are moving at a comfortable run rate. End of over number 2. Score moves to
Residents, backside of the backside of the arena, please, please cool down, calm down. Backside the arena, अन्ना ठीक कराओ.
All right, continue with the game, please, guys. Let's not get distracted.
Calling Sabrish.
Sabrish, come to the commentary box. Please come here. Sabrish, come to the commentary box right away.
Acha, it's okay, it's okay.
Okay, let's start. Please start.
Score is 17 run.
Well cut. Single.
Mikin bhai, please handle the situation.
Punit taking the catch. Ashish, after a useful inning, has to walk back. Ajay, the captain, comes in the middle.
Score is 18 run.
Third over, 18 runs. That's wide, but very well capped. Well capped by Dr. Abhijit. Shyam bowling the third over. Wide,
Wide
and a
and-
bye. And wide again. 3 wides in a row, losing his rhythm there. Follows it up with an excellent delivery. Squared up completely. Batsman had no clue. And a wide. It's all happening here. Loss of concentration. Straight into the hands of Ajinkya.
Score is 23 runs.
One more wide. Wide number 5th for the over.
अजिंक्य भूल गया था कि वो बैट्समैन नहीं है. Score is 25 run.
25 runs, 3 overs.
They need 39 runs in 18 ball.
39 in 18. Stiff task.
Puneet is the next bowler.
But they have their best batsman out there in the middle, Ajay. Puneet is the next bowler. Dragging his feet out. And that's stump out. Huge blow.
A very good stumping by Abhijit.
Hiren, the new man in.
हिरेन परमार इज द नेक्स्ट बैट्समैन. अपने टी शर्ट में वो HP लिखा के आते हैं.
Oh. Great effort by Hiren to make his ground. Hope he's fine. Hope Hiren is fine. Take care, please. Lot of agility here on display, both by batting team and fielding team. Hit to the fielder. It's that man Munnu. You can't keep him away from the game. Nihar on strike. Well fielded by Nikhil. They are enjoying themselves out there. The bowling team. As the asking rate creeps up. Good fielding on follow through. Excellent fielding on follow through.
Last ball of the over.
Hello. Hello. And that's out. End of over number 4. Score is $28 runs. 4 over 28. That brings the equation to 36 runs required of 12 balls. They've lost 5 wickets. Yogesh to bowl the 5th over. Starts with a wide. No ball declared. That's a no again.
एक ही बॉल हुआ है अभी तक।
And a wide. Two no's and two wides already in this over. What a fielding by Abhin. What a fielding by Ajinkya. But Nihar making his ground on time. Pawan back on strike. And that's gone. Score?
हिट किसने किया था?
Hit किया था श्याम ने. Pogo by. Next batter on the middle.
Umpire, 4 balls.
And a single. And that's a boundary. Good shot by Nihar. End of over. And Smith to bowl the final over. Score 41 runs on board. They need 23 runs from the final over. 23 required. And Smith is back to what he does best. Bowl the last over. Let the umpire decide. Is that a wicket? No. Dot ball. Dot ball by Smith. The left arm bowler, the wonder kid. And last 3 balls coming up. X-Square Maverick have one hand on the trophy. 2 balls. आगे से पकड़ा, आगे से gather किया. It's a no ball. The keeper gathered the ball before the stumps.
हेलो हेलो, ये एरिना खाली करो, ये एरिना खाली करो प्लीज, ये एरिना खाली, ये एंट्रेंस खाली करो। खाली करो, दैट्स इट।
हेलो 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 हेलो
आने दे आने दे।
हेलो
मितेश भाई खाली कराओ, ત્યાંથી સામાન આવે છે। प्लीज खाली करो। मिकिन भाई प्लीज हेल्प, यू कट, ये एरिया खाली करो प्लीज, खाली करो प्लीज, खाली करो। बड़ा ये आ रहा है, प्लीज खाली,
जाएगा जाएगा।
जल्दी खाली करो। दूर 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 दूर, साइड 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 साइड। ये एरिया खाली रखो प्लीज, इधर से वॉक मत करो अभी के लिए, ये एरिया में वॉक मत करो प्लीज। मीत मीत रोकना सबको उधर, क्या यार। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। जो भी रेसिडेंट प्रेजेंटेशन देखना चाहते हैं अंदर जा सकते हो, सब लोग अंदर जा सकते हो देखने के लिए, सब लोग अंदर जाओ, यहाँ से मत देखिए प्लीज। इफ यू वांट टू सी प्रेजेंटेशन गो इनसाइड द फील्ड, ऑल द रेसिडेंट्स कैन गो इनसाइड द एरिना। साइड साइड पीछे से एरिया है। निश्चित भाई खाली 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 प्लीज, साइड 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 प्लीज, साइड प्लीज। All the residents can go inside the arena to enjoy presentation ceremony. Fast. Bets, bath. Sabrish, you can help us. Come, come, come. You can take the bets and help Anuj. अभी के लिए ना वहां पे स्पीकर के पीछे रख दे, स्क्रीन के पीछे, स्क्रीन के पीछे। ये एरिया खाली करो, ये एरिया खाली करो जल्दी प्लीज प्लीज। साइड साइड वो सामान ला रहे, बड़ा सामान ला रहे। पाछड़ जो, पाछड़ पाछड़ जो सामान आवे थे, साइड 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 प्लीज, प्लीज मूव फास्ट। साइड साइड साइड, वो साइड जाओ, लागी जैसे जल्दी हट। साइड साइड साइड, दूर रहे दूर रहे, साइड। थैंक यू। सब अंदर जाओ, अंदर अंदर। रेसिडेंट्स के गो इनसाइड द एरिना। ट्रॉफीज धीरे धीरे.
Calling Ajay Lad.
Hello, hello.
Residents,
Can we turn off the
please
dole,
give a
please?
side.
Dole. Time out.
Please move from the entrance. Please move. If you want to see presentation, please go inside the arena. सब लोग अंदर जाओ फील्ड पे, प्लीज सब लोग जाओ, यहाँ पे कोई भी मत बैठिए.
Hello, hello. Can we turn off the dole, please?
Fast. All residents inside the arena.
Hello, hello. Hello.
खाली है ने विकिन भाई कढ़ाई अंदर
हेलो
Hello.
हेलो
Hello.
हेलो. Hello.
Requesting APL season 5 बोलना यार, तो बोलते जा. बोल चालू कर.
Side from the entrance, please.
Hello.
Hello. We are starting.
Check. Hello, check.
टेबल है, पहले टेबल लेके आओ ना दादा, टेबल।
गुड जॉब बेटा,
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
बहुत आप लोग की मेहनत जो है
रन लाई है।
वेल मैनेज
हेलो 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 हेलो
Ankit Gala, Kapil. Can I have Ankit Gala and Kapil over here? आजा इधर ही।
हेलो हेलो
we are starting with senior citizen.
We are starting with owners. पहले owners.
We are
क्या मोमेंटो दे रहे क्या मोमेंटो
हेलो 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 हेलो
we are giving a memento for all our owners and sponsors.
all the owners and sponsors to come inside the arena. Would request all the owners and sponsors to come inside the arena. Would request all the owners and sponsors to come inside the arena.
थोड़ा आवाज बोलना या इसको देखिए लाइट आ रहा है
हेलो 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 हेलो
APL season 5. We thanks all our sponsors, owners, MySpace Reality, Aquarian Share Broking, Crick Heroes, Huddle, Nivea, Marico, Netro, Apollo, Hansa Plus, Provi, AU Small Finance Bank, Finfinity, Firefly Diamonds.
हेलो 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 एवरीवन, कैन वी हैव योर अटेंशन प्लीज? हेलो हेलो
Requesting everyone,
Hello everyone, please come inside the.
please give us 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. Deepak Agrawal, Dr. Sham, only 10 minutes. You have the entire night to celebrate. Thank you.
Paging for Kapil. Kapil.
हेलो हेलो हेलो
Paging for Kapil.
गाइस, कैन वी हैव योर अटेंशन प्लीज?
Guys, we
Guys,
just have 15
senior
minutes.
citizens, please बातें ना करें. Senior citizens, please.
All right, we start
All
with
the
the
players,
presentation ceremony.
all the residents, please focus. Please focus. We need to complete this presentation as soon as possible.
Hello everyone. Before we commence the award ceremony, we have something to say to all of you. Let's give a huge round of applause to yourself, because it's you who have made this possible. It's because of your enthusiasm, your support, we have made this possible. Thank you so much, every one of you. Sometimes back, someone asked me that why you guys do so much of efforts? Where does this motivation comes from? And I said that motivation comes from you people. It's because there are 1400 families and there is nothing like this happiness that we get when we bring you all together in this one forum. And what can be better than the sports, which has no division, which has no societies. It's only team and it's a complete familyhood. And no share. And we are not sharing anything. There is no share fight on this. Thank you so much. But when I responded to them, my point was that
Guys,
we
can we
are-
have some silence, please, everyone? Everyone,
Kids,
we have some
Sabrish,
important stuff.
सबरीश एंड टीम प्लीज वहाँ पे साइलेंट मेंटेन करो.
Guys, can we
Hello,
have
hello.
some silence here, please?
अजिंक्य एंड
अब
टीम,
ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा वरना आप और मैं दोनों रोने लगेंगे.
अजिंक्य एंड टीम.
Thank you everybody once again for all your support, all your enthusiasm.
Yo!
And keep supporting us, keep blessing us for this.